The Porto Mobility Ranger Carbon Ultra Lightweight Folding Electric Wheelchair is designed for users seeking a blend of mobility, convenience, and innovative features. This product has garnered attention for its lightweight design and user-friendly operation, making it a noteworthy option in the realm of electric wheelchairs. At first glance, the Ranger Carbon stands out due to its construction. Weighing significantly less than many traditional electric wheelchairs, it incorporates a carbon fiber frame that not only contributes to its reduced weight but also enhances its durability. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may find heavier wheelchairs cumbersome. The folding design allows for easy transport and storage, ideal for those who may need to navigate tight spaces or travel frequently. One of the key features of the Ranger Carbon is its remote control functionality. This feature allows users or caregivers to operate the wheelchair from a distance, which can be particularly useful in various settings, whether at home or out in public. The remote control makes it easier to assist someone in navigating tight corners or uneven surfaces without the need to physically push the chair. The wheelchair is equipped with a powerful electric motor that aids in smooth movement across different terrains. Users can expect a comfortable ride, as the chair comes with well-padded seating and back support, designed to enhance comfort during prolonged use. The chair also features a robust battery system, providing a decent range on a single charge. This aspect is particularly important for users who wish to maintain their independence without the constant worry of battery depletion. Operating the Ranger Carbon is straightforward, with intuitive controls that allow for easy maneuverability. The joystick is responsive, enabling users to navigate various environments, from busy streets to park paths. The chair is designed for stability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. In conclusion, the Porto Mobility Ranger Carbon Ultra Lightweight Folding Electric Wheelchair presents a compelling option for those in need of an electric mobility solution. Its lightweight construction, remote control feature, and user-friendly operation make it an accessible choice for individuals seeking to enhance their mobility. With a focus on comfort and practicality, this wheelchair serves as a reliable companion for both everyday tasks and more adventurous outings.